In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VWAP on Webull. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and it's a popular intraday benchmark that blends price and volume to show the average price traders have paid throughout the session. Many day traders use it to gauge trend strength, potential support or resistance, and to avoid chasing moves when price is stretched. Think of it as a dynamic fair value line for the current trading day. First, open the chart for the stock or ETF you want to analyze in Webull. Any symbol works, just make sure you're looking at the main price chart so you can overlay indicators directly on the candles. VWAP is most meaningful on intraday intervals because it typically resets each trading day, so minute-based charts are a common choice. That said, the feature will still display on other time frames if you prefer a broader view, but keep in mind its intraday nature. Next, look near the top of the chart for the Indicators button. Click that to open Webull's indicator library. You'll see a list of technical tools. Scroll or search until you find VWAP. Select VWAP from the list, and Webull will add a line to your price chart. By default, this line sits on the main panel right over the candles, letting you compare price action to the session's average transaction level at a glance. Once VWAP is on your chart, adjust its color and visibility if needed. Pick a color that clearly contrasts with your background, and consider increasing the line thickness if it's hard to see when the chart is busy. If your platform theme is dark, a bright tone helps. If it's light, a darker or bolder color works better. You can also toggle visibility on and off quickly to reduce clutter while you compare setups, then turn it back on when you're ready to make a decision. Here's how to interpret what you're seeing. When price holds above VWAP, buyers have generally paid more than average, and the session bias is often bullish. When price sits below it, the bias leans bearish. Some traders look for pullbacks toward VWAP as potential support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. Others use VWAP as a filter, taking trades only in the direction of price relative to the line. No single indicator is perfect, so consider pairing VWAP with your existing risk rules, time of day awareness, and volume context. That's it. Open the chart, add VWAP from the Indicators menu, and style it so it stands out. Practice reading how price behaves around the line, and you'll quickly see why VWAP is a staple for intraday analysis on Webull.